Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. I am your math teacher Shahbaz Ali. Now, unit number 3, factors and multiples. Exercise 3.5. Before starting our exercise 3.5, we will clear our concept that we used in our exercise. First, least common multiples. Now the least common multiples of two or more number is the smaller number. Suppose we have two numbers 2 and 3. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Now same, the common multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Now we will highlight those common multiples of 3 and 2. Now 6, 12 and 18 are the common multiples, and the smallest number of these common multiples is 6. Now same for second example. Here we have same 3 common multiples of 3, 4 and 6. But the least common multiple is only 12 because this is the smallest number. Now same for HCF, LCM are also two methods. First, prime factorizations method and second, division method. In prime factorization method, here we have one example. Let's discuss it. We have three numbers 36, 48 and 56. This is the prime factor of 36, prime factor of 48 and the prime factor of 56. Now we will express all these prime factor using index notation. Now 36 has factors 2, 2, 3 and 3. You can see here if the base is the same, power is added. Now 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. Now same for 48 and 56. Here we will circle the same common multiples. Now the largest number is 2 power 4 and here largest number is a 3 power 2 and 7 as it is. Now 2 power 4 we have 16, 3 power 2 we have 9 and last is 7. If we multiply all these three numbers, we got the answer 1008. Now students, we are starting our exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Find the least common multiples of the given number by finding their common multiples. Here we have first third part, we have numbers 3 and 4. Now student, the common multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9 and 12. The common multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now student, the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12. So the least common multiple is 12. Thus the LCM of 2 and 4 is 12. Part number 6. We have two numbers 8 and 12. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. Now students, we will highlight the numbers that are common. Now 24 is the common number and 48 is the common number. So the common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24 and 48. So the least common multiple is equal to 24. Thus, the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Part number 9. We have three numbers 3, 6 and 9. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 28. The common multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and 42. The common multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and 63. Now students, we will find the numbers that are common in all the three common multiples are only 18 and as soon as will continue. Now students, the common multiple is 18. Thus the LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is 18. Part number 12. We have three numbers 2, 6 and 11. The multiples of 2 I will continue and we will reach the 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64 and 66. The multiples of 6 are continue and we will reach 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72. The common multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 and 77. Now the common number is 66. So students, the least common multiple is 66. Thus the LCM of 2, 6 and 11 is 66. Question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by using prime factorization method. Here we have two numbers 28 and 44. First we will find the prime factors of these two numbers. 28, 2 1 the 2 and 2 4 the 8. 2 7 the 14 and 7 1 the 7. Same for 44. 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 11 1 the 11. So students, now we will express the prime factor using index notation. Now 28 has factors 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 7. We will write in this form. Here base is same, power is added. Same for 44. We have 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 11. 2 power 2 and multiplied by 11. So student, this is a common. We will write it one time and 7 and 11 also write. After this 2 power 2 we have 4. Now 4 multiplied by 7 and 7 multiplied after this 7 multiplied by 11 we got the answer 308. Now part number 6. Same for we have two numbers 20 and 135. First we will find out the prime factors. The prime factors of 20 are 2 10 the 20, 2 5 the 10 and 5 1 the 5. Same for 135. 3 4 the 12, 1 carry, 3 5 the 15. 3 1 the 3, 1 carry, 3 5 the 15. 3 5 the 15 and 5 1 the 5. Now we will write in the index notation. Now 20 has the factors 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 5. We will write in this form 2 power 2 and multiplied by 5. 135 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5. Now 3 is the base and that is same. Now power is added 3 times. Now we will write 1 time 2 power 2, 3 power 2 and 5 is 2 times, we will write it 1 time. After this 2 power 2 we have 4. 3 power 3 we have 27 and 5 as it is. After we were multiplying, we got the answer 540. Now part number 9. We have three numbers 12, 18 and 24. Now 12, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6 and 3 1 the 3. Now student 18, 2 9 the 18 and 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. Now 24, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6 and 3 1 the 3. Now students, we will write in the index notation form. This are 12. Factors are 2 multiplied by 2 and 3. We will write in this form. Now we have 18. 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. Now students, here by mistake here we have 2. Now 24. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 3. 2 power 3 and we have 3. So student, we will write all these number one times. Here highest power is 2 power 3. We will write it. And the highest power in 3 we have 3 power 2. We will write it one time. Now 2 power 3 we have 8 and 3 power 2 we have 9. 9, 8 the 72 we have the answer. Now last part 12. We have three numbers same 25, 50 and 70. Now we will find the prime factors. 5 5 the 25 and 5 1 the 5. Now 50. 5 1 the 5 and 0 as it is. 5 to the 10 and 2 1 the 2. Now students, 3 to the 6, 1 carry, 3 5 the 15. Now 5 5 the 25 and 5 1 the 5. 25 is equal to 5 5 the 25. We will write 5 power 2. 50. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 we will write in this form. Same for 75. 3 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5 we will write in this form. We will write 5 multiplied by 2 one times and 3 and 2 once more. If we multiply, we got the answer 150.
Question number 3. Find the LCM by using the division method. So first we understand what is mean by division method. Here you can see, suppose we have 4 numbers. Let's consider 24, 36, 54 and 81. Firstly, we will arrange all these numbers in a row. After this, we will choose a common factor of at least 2 of the numbers are divided. Here you can see we choose a common factor 2. Now 2 on the 2 and 2 to the 4. 2 on the 2, 1 carry, 2 8 the 16. 2 to the 4, 1 carry, 2 7 the 14. Here you can see we have 2 numbers are easily divided. So we will continue this process until we have 2 numbers have the common divider. Now here you can see we have 2 different numbers and they do not have a common divider. So we will stop this process. Now we have the LCM R of 24, 36, 54 and 81 is 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2 and last multiplied by 3. If we multiply, we have got answer that is 648. So student, this is the concept of our least common multiple by division method. Now question number 3, part first. Here we have 3 different numbers 27, 81 and 54. Firstly, we will take the LCM by common multiple 3. Now 3 9 the 27, 3 to the 6, 2 carry, 3 7 the 21. Now 3 1 the 3, 2 carry, 3 8 the 24. Now 3 3 the 9, 3 9 the 27 and 3 6 the 18. Now student, 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9 and 3 2 the 6. Now we will stop this process because here we have 2 different numbers and these numbers have no common divider. Now the LCM of 27, 81 and 54 is 3. This one multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. This multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. If we multiply, we got the answer 162. Now student, part number 3. We have 3 numbers 35, 55 and 100. We will take the table 5. 5 7 the 35, 5 11 the 55 and 5 to the 10 0 as it is. Now student, these 3 numbers has no common divider. So we will stop this process now. Thus the LCM of 35, 55 and 100 is 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11 and multiplied by 20 is equal to 7700. Now student, part number 6. Here we have 3 numbers. First is 144, second 180, third 300. We take the table 2. Now 2 7 the 40, 2 to the 4, 2 9 the 18, 0 as it is. 2 1 the 2, 1 carry, 2 5 the 10 and 0 as it is because 0 is less than 2. Now 2 3 the 6, 1 carry, 2 6 the 12. Now 2 4 the 8, here we have 9, 1 carry, now we have 10, 2 5 the 10. 2 7 the 14, 1 carry, 2 5 the 10. Now students, we will take the table number 3. 3 1 the 3 and 3 to the 6. 3 1 the 3, 1 carry, here we have now 15, 3 5 the 15. Now students, 3 to the 6 and 1 carry, 3 5 the 25. Now we will continue table number 3, 3 4 the 12. Now 3 5 the 15 and 24 is not a common multiple of table number 3. Now we will change our table 2 to the 4 and 5 and 25 as it is. Now 5 1 the 5 and 5 5 the 25. After this, thus the LCM of 144, 180 and 300 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 and 2 and then last one 5. We multiply, we got the answer is 3600. Now students, let's move forward. Question number 5. Now the HCF of the two numbers is 525 and 1155 is 105. Now find their LCM. Find first number is 525. Second number is 1155. Now students, the HCF is equal to 105 and in these questions we have to find out the LCM. As you know that this is a formula, first number multiplied by second number is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. We will put these values. As you know that the first number is 525, second number 1155, HCF is equal to 105, here LCM as it is. Now students, we will arrange this and after the multiplication we got the answer 5775. Now students, question number 6. In the question number 6, the LCM of two numbers are 660 and second number 2100 is 23,100. In this question, we have to find out the HCF. Now students, first number is equal to 660, second number is equal to 2100 and we have to find the HCF. LCM is equal to 23,100. As you know that the formula is equal to first number multiplied by second number is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. Now students, we will put the values. As you can see here, we have first number, second number, we will put the value, and after putting the value we will arrange the equations. We will find this number HCF and this number is multiply here. When we carry power on is equal to the left hand side, this number is divisible. After multiplications we have the answer is 60. Now students, question number 6. In the question number 6, the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 29 and 3045. If the first number is 435, find the other. Now first HCF is equal to 29, LCM is equal to 3045. Now the first number is equal to 435 and we have to find out the other number. Now as you know that this is a formula, we will put our values according to the formula. After this we will put our values, we will arrange the equations, and arranging the equations we will simply multiply. After multiplication and division we will get the answer, that is 203. Now students, this is our last question of our exercise 3.5. In these questions the HCF of two numbers is 16 and the product is 3328. Find their LCM. Now students, HCF is equal to 16 and the product of the numbers is 3328 and we have to find the LCM. Same as the previous questions, we have the same formula. We will write the formula. After writing the formula, we will put our values. Here you can see 16 is multiplied. Here we will carry forward on the left hand side. Now this 16 is divide. Sorry, you will change this. 3328 is divided by 16. So we got the answer 208. So students, this is our exercise 3.5. I hope you understand well. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will give you an answer as soon as possible. So take care. Allah Hafiz.